what's next now, really? Well, what we need to do is we need to build a 64-bit image. Now there's two things here that I need to sort of speak about. Okay, that's the 32-bit and the 64-bit. That's the first thing that we're going to actually build. The second thing is, do we actually have it on a external drive, or do we actually put it on the server? The advantage of the server is you could actually update 5 to 10 computers in one go by plugging them in on the network and letting the WDS server update all those machines in one go. The beauty of having it on USB is that it's portable. You can take it anywhere with you, and you can actually rebuild a machine anywhere that you like. The second thing about the USB is that I can actually build my image in Server 2008 with WDS on it using the external hard drive. So my preferred recommendation would be that you actually create one on an external hard drive. That could be your backup as well. And then what you do is you put it on the WDS server and you use both. The USB for me just edges it a little bit. Okay, so we're going to try to now try to build this machine up for WDS. Pause. There. So once I do the 64-bit operating system installation, I'm going to test it on that computer there. You don't need that one, but that's where we are at the moment. Pause. Accept the licensing agreements. Use recommended settings. That's fine for us at the moment. And then setup continues and restarting your Windows. We won't go through all this. Still setting up the first technical computer, and it's nearly ready now. Now this is where I do suggest that we actually back up the drivers. Now in my case, if I go onto the C drive here, can you see I've got the SW setup folder here, and in that I've got all the drivers and documentation and everything that I need in this case, and the Intel folder. So I'm going to just copy that onto a USB stick, spare one that I've got here. Thank you. So as I said, we've made a backup of the software on that computer. It's a 64-bit computer. Let's quickly go and check it. That is a 64-bit computer. So that's why we've got 64-bit drivers in here. So let's go to System and then go to, where are you? There you go, baby. Good for you. And it says a 64-bit operating system. Can you see? Good, good, good. Right, so now the next step, hopefully, is to install the Windows AIK CD into the machine and boot the machine up. Now, the Windows AIK provides the tools required to build custom Windows 7 images. In particularly, it includes ImageX, which you can capture an image to a reference computer, and the files necessary to build a Windows PE Start disk. Now you can get a download from Windows Automated Installation Disk from the Microsoft website. It comes in an ISO file, and you can actually burn it onto a CD like this on using Windows 7. Now, to install Windows AIK, we put that in the technical machine. We put the CD in there. Now, to be mindful here, we've got to do the, if it's a 32-bit computer, then you would use some other commands, but if it's a 64-bit computer, we need to do another bit here. So anyway, you're going to open the folder to view. And the one that we're looking for, because it's a 64-bit that we're building here, is WAIKAMD64. That's the one here. I hope you can see it. Yeah. Okay, it'll start installing. Do next, agree to that, agree to the licensing agreement. Do next, we're going to load it on that machine, and everyone doesn't make any difference there at the moment. Next,